I try and come every year if I can. It's a real day out. It's a joyous day to come and look at art. Maybe we'll have a little splurge today if we saw something we really like.
It's just a great platform to discover amazing, affordable art and make a whole day out of it.
I've been here many, many times before, and what keeps me coming back is the variety of artists under one roof.
L'amplitude du choix, la proximité avec les artistes, la possibilité d'échanger avec beaucoup d'artistes différents, de Belgique et d'ailleurs. Le prix qui reste tout à fait raisonnable pour des œuvres de cette qualité-là.
Et aux nouvelles tendances de l'art. Et ici, c'est un beau concentré justement de toutes ces nouvelles tendances. Et donc je suis très curieux et j'ai très envie de tout découvrir en fait.
One of the things that I find the most exciting is seeing lots of artworks going off to new homes.
We weren't really expecting to buy. I looked at it and I immediately knew that I've got to have it.
I thought, I know I'm going to leave here tonight with something. This is the icing on the cake for us.
I really couldn't leave it behind. It was meant to be for me. It's going to make me really cheerful looking at it.